how do I look?
Like one of the bad guys. Perfect for your undercover assignment.
So Makarov is the prize.
Makarov's no prize. He's a whore. A mad dog killer for the highest bidder. Just remember your new identity. It'll keep you alive. Welcome to the 141. Best hand-picked group of warriors on the planet.
It's an honor, sir. When do I meet the rest of the team?
They're on a mission recovering a downed ACS module behind enemy lines.
Their feet wet?
Imagine they're just about freezing right now.
Break's over, Butch. Let's go. Stay here and spawn me. Wait for my go. Alright, the ice is good. Follow me. Good luck, mate. I'll see you on the far side. Hold on! Don't let go!
Roach, check your heartbeat sensor. You should be able to see me on the scope. That blue dot is me. Any unrecognized contacts will show up as white dots. Roach, these Muppets have no idea we're here. Let's take this nice and slow. You take the one on the left. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. Same plan. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. Storm is brewing up. us split up. I'll use a thermal scope and provide overwatch from this ridge. Use the cover of the storm to enter the base. You'll be a ghost in this blizzard, so the guards won't see you until you're very close. Keep an eye on your heartbeat sensor. Good luck. Stay out of sight. You alerted one of them. He's mine. Alright, I've tapped into their comms. Head southeast and plant your C4 at the fueling station. We may need to go to Plan B if things go south. I'll take this one. There's a truck coming. Stay out of sight. Hold up. I'm seeing some activity on the runway. Looks like 20+ foot mobiles headed your way. That's the fueling station. You found it. I'm picking up more radio traffic about the satellite. Stand by. Got it. Sounds like the satellite's in the far hangar. Race you there. Oscar Mike. Out. Picking up large heat signatures near the tower. Could be DMPs. I'd avoid that area. Get out of there, they found you. Roach, I'm waiting behind the hangars at the southwest corner of the runway.
Take a scenic route, eh? Let's go.
Go upstairs and look for the ACS module. Roach, I'm being compromised. Keep a low profile and hold your fire. Roach, go to Plan B.
Stay close and hug the wall. We use the MiGs for cover and cross the tarmac to the southeast. Roach, follow me. Let's go. I'll cover you!
Kilo 6-1, the primary expo point is compromised. We're en route to the backup LZ using enemy transport. Meet us there, over. Bravo 6, this is Kilo 6-1. Roger that, out. More tangos to the rear! Just outrun them! Go, go! Don't slow down! Keep moving or you're dead! Go, go, go! Come on! Come on! Bravo 6, we have bingo fuel. What's your status? Over. Kilo 6-1,